Okay, let's look at this question. This question from the College Board, Unit 7, free response question B. Okay, number 2. Now, when you do this one, um, the first thing first is what they ask you. Let's look at the first question. Okay, here. This one they gave you the sketch of the field graph, right? Is it here a portion of the slope field of the differential equations given? Sketch the solution through point 0 and 1. So when you have 0 and 1 here, you see here 0 and 1, 0 and 1 here, right? This one, you see the slope field is what? Horizontal, means what? This is what? No change at that one. So you gotta go to this one here, the straight line like this, because slope always equals 0, okay? Now, if you want to draw through this point here, 0 and 2.5, that's here. So what you can do is this: you trace. You see your graph just like here. This is tangent, so you try to go through this one, like this is a horizontal one now, and then you go up and go up, right, right, and then you go to here, horizontal one, and then go down like this. Huh? Just match. Make sure each of the slope field will be the tangent line of this graph. And I go this side further. You may trace along this slope field, go like this, like this one here, right? Get it? Yeah. This is just a general sketch about this kind of graph, okay? So now let's go to the second, the part B, the question B now, okay? So when we do the question B is this. There's a write the equation of the line tangent slope curve in part A at this point. So because they gave you the differential equation, that's the one we're going to use, okay? So I'm going to use this differential equation. So what I'm going to do is, you just be careful that they ask you is for what? Just tangent line passing through this point, 0 and 5/2, right? So when you do the B, you just need to find the slope, the tangent line at the point of this. So what we're gonna do is, first thing first, we can use the point slope form. We can have y minus y1, which is 5/2, equals the slope and the x minus 0, right? We knew this equation of tangent line already, but we just need to determine the slope of the m. How do you find the m? You simply make x equals what? 0. So all the x plug in with 0, 0. And y you plug in with what? 5/2, okay? This is 0. So we can do this one here. You can get what? 5/2 minus 1, that's a 3/2. And then there's 2 plus, oh, wait a minute. So this one is 2 plus 1 will be 3. And here, 0, 0, cosine pi equals -1. So we're going to have what? We're going to have the slope. So we're going to have okay, so we just simply plug in, right? So this one x must be what? In 0, okay? So 0 plus 1, this is a 1. And then this one here, we can get what? Negative -3/2, okay? So right now we can find y minus 5/2 equals -3/2 times x. So that will be the answer for the B, okay? So now we're going to go, so this here, so by this way, we find out here, we find the equation of tangent line, okay? Passing through 0 and 5/2. Now, we're gonna put more time in the C right now here. So when you do the C, is to find the particular solution of y equals fx to the differential equation with the initial condition of this, okay? So this time we need to, first thing first, we need to copy the this given differential equation here first, okay? Let's do this now here. So I'm just copy this part first, so make sure we have enough space to do this, all right? Now, here. So first thing first, I'm going to do is I copy this equation first. So we have, I put it here, okay? So dy dx equals what? Y minus 1 and x plus 1, and then cosine x squared plus 2x and plus pi, like this, right? Now, when you have this, we solve the differential equation. We usually method we have is what? Separation, right? So I'm going to divide this part on both sides. I will get what? Dy right here. So I will get what? Dy over y minus 1, okay? And time both sides by dx, so dx on this side now. So you're going to have x plus 1 cosine x squared plus 2x plus pi, and then time by dx, like this, right? So when you have this, simply, because x on one side, y on the other side, simply do what? Integration, right? You can get it. But the thing is that this left side is easy, equals what? ln y minus 1. No problem with that, right? That's a natural log integration formula, right? But this part a little bit challenge. It's not that hard though. If you can see, you can do the substitution here. I'm showing here the substitution. This one must be the u, okay? I do this one now. U. So you have what? du equals what? 2x plus 2 parenthesis and dx. And then continue simplify. You can factor the 2 out. So you got 2 out. So x plus 1 and dx. And then you divide it by 2. This is divided by 2. So you can see du over 2 will be equals to x plus 1 and dx, like this. You see? X plus 1 dx, this part just equals this one. This is called u substitution, okay? So if we do that, what do we have right now? I put it here, okay? I put it here. So ln y minus 1 equals what? Equals to, of course, this one you can put like an absolute value. The formula is the absolute value to make sure this part is positive, okay? And then this side equals to integration, and this part you can put as what? Just simply cosine the u, right? And then x plus 1 times by dx equals what? This one. See that? So you can have what? du over 2. Now I can do the further simplification. So this one will be equals to ln absolute value y minus 1 equals to, this is the 1 over 2. So I take it out. That's constant integration cosine u du, right? And then when you finish this integration, you will have 1/2 and the sine u, and this side equals what? Still ln y minus 1, like this, huh? So and then you get what? Absolute value y minus 1 equals what? Oh, you have a constant here, okay? No, you have here, you have a constant there, c1, like this. So when you do the change to the natural logarithm, so you're gonna have e and half sine u and time by e c1. But this one we can consider another c, okay? After you got this one, we just so we can put this one as another c, okay? So I just put another c here. Now we can make what? You choose the given. Now they give you a t equals 0. So, this one you can get what? Absolute y minus 1 equals what? This one is e, this is the half, right? And this is a sine, and the c I put in front, okay? And the u here is what? U here we can put it back here. From here, put it back. So you can have what? X squared plus 2x plus pi, like this. Now you may substitute the x equals 0, y equals what? This one, right? 5/2. Plug in. So you will find c will be equals to 3.5. So finally you can get what? Y minus 1 equals to 3.5 e, right? And you have e to the half sine and x squared plus 2x plus pi, like this. Of course, you can plug in, add by 1 on both sides, okay? Add by 1 on both sides, you can get this one equals add by 1, like this. So this is the final answer, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.